Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. I've got several things to do today. First of all, I will show you a trade that I'm going to be taking. Second of all, I'll show you a trade that I really would like to take, but I don't think it's quite ready per my rules. And finally, I am going to fess up to a big boo-boo yesterday. And I'll tell you what I did and how it messed me up. So let's start off today. We are on Kiwi Canadian dollar. And I am looking for this as a sell. If you notice, our super trend is indicating a downward motion. You can see that we just crossed the baseline 2 candles ago, and our ash is in congruence. Now, I'm not sure why I didn't see this yesterday. Yesterday probably would have been the ideal time to go in, because if you notice on this candle here, we had our red and we had enough volume. But that's okay. I can still go in today because I am within my 5 candles from the crossover, and it's actually maybe going to give me a few extra pips. So that's why I decided to go ahead based on the super trend below the baseline, ash, and volume to go ahead and sell. Boom. There we go. Now, it's only a take profit of 46 pips, but that's okay because this pair is not moving very much. That's the only ATR it has to give us. So now let me show you the trade that, boy, I'm itching to get into. And it's 25 minutes to go until the candle turns. And there's part of me that wants to just sit there and watch it to see if it goes before the end of the day. But that is on Euro Kiwi. Let me pull that up for you guys. Euro Kiwi. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Just in the time that I was talking to you, that super trend turned. Let me show you a little bit closer here. Okay, this candle right here, okay, oh, now look at that. Do you see how it went back to red? That's because the price has dropped back down below it. Oh, this is a tricky deal. So right now, this is our super trend, and if that price goes up above, then we will get a change in our signal, like you just saw. However, right now, my goodness, it's so close. It is like, what are you going to do? Because if this super trend was still indicating green or a buy, you would see that the price is above the baseline, our ash is in agreement, and our volume is very, very high. Oh, so this is a toughie for me. I think I may just give it a few more minutes. I saw that it was there. It was there. I wasn't seeing things, but it has since fallen back down below there. And I still have 25 minutes until the candle ends. So I'm going to wait with that one until closer to candle close and see if it breaks through that super trend line. In the meantime, let me tell you about my boo-boo from yesterday. Okay, let me bring up Euro Aussie. Hold on. Okay, so here is the trade. Now, if you recall, yesterday I had brought my stop loss up very far because my exit indicators had told me to. However, if you notice, these exit indicators don't. They're all saying, stay in the trade, stay in the trade. So why did I mess up and get out of the trade? Well, dumb mistake. I had my chart set on 4 hours instead of a daily chart. My goodness. So I set my stop loss and I was getting out because my indicators were telling me that. But there you go. Rookie mistake, I guess. That's why we have to practice humility, and I appreciate Nelson for pointing that out, because honestly, I had no idea, and I didn't even notice this until he asked the question. So we go back over to our daily chart, and unfortunately, I'm not still in this because it would have continued, looks like, to go up, but that's okay. As I said in my response, you win or you learn, right? Anyway, that's what's going on. Okay, before I let you go, I'm going to take another sneak peek over at our Euro NIST and see if that super trend has changed yet. No, it has not. It has not. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here because those are the only trades that I saw. It is now 22 minutes until candle close. If you notice here, or 21 minutes, see here, until candle close. So I've actually got 20 minutes to see if this thing pushes up again above that super trend. And if it does, I think I will take the buy. But if it doesn't, then nope, can't do it because my signals aren't letting me. So there you have it for today. Hope you're having good trades, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Happy trading.